Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wiwin. I'm a student from English Education Department State Islamic University of Riau. This video, I want to tell you about reporting and evaluating research. The first point is about what is a research report. A research report is a completed study that reports an investigation or exploration of a problem, identifies question to be addressed, and includes data collected, analyzed, and interpreted by the research. It is composed per audience, varies in length and format, and differs for quantitative and qualitative research. The next point is about what are the types of research report? Dissertation and thesis. Dissertation and thesis are the doctoral and master research report prepared for faculty and graduate committee. The length of a dissertation or thesis can vary. The next point is about what are the types of research report? Dissertation and thesis. Dissertation and thesis are the doctoral and master research report prepared for faculty and graduate committee. The length of a dissertation or thesis can vary depending on the tradition in a school or department. Dissertation and thesis proposal. A dissertation or thesis proposal is a plan for a research report, initiated and developed before the research actually begins. We will not discuss proposal for external funding here because other writers have adequately covered them. Quantitative and qualitative. Dissertation and thesis proposal figure illustrate typical quantitative and qualitative proposal format for dissertation and thesis reports. The topic is both format address the major idea faculty often see to know about a project. Journal articles. A journal article is a polished short research report that you send to an editor of a journal. The editor arranges for 2 to 3 reviewers to provide comments about the study. The editor then makes a decision based on the reviewer's comment, which typically fall into one of 3 categories: accept, revise, and resubmit or reject. Conference papers and proposal. Conference paper is a research report presented to an audience and a state, regional, national, or international conference, typically sponsored by a professional association, for example, AERA, American Association of Teacher Educators. Sample guidelines for proposal. To illustrate the process of developing a proposal for a conference paper, we will examine the AERA call proposal that's printed each year in the Educational Research Journal. Report for policymaker or school personnel. A final type of research report is one that you present as practitioners who are in position of responsibility in education. This individual may be a policymaker in state and federal government or leaders in school, such as superintendents, principal, curriculum director, and teachers. The next point is about how so you structure your report. Look at the basic structure of research report. Design an appropriate quantitative structure. Design an appropriate qualitative structure. The next point is the purpose of a research report. A research report is a completed study that reports an investigation or exploration of a problem, identifies questions to be addressed, include the collection and analysis of data, and advise an interpretation of the data. Researchers write the report with their audience in mind. The last point is criteria for evaluating a research report. The criteria for evaluating the quality of a study differ depending on the evaluator. Evaluators may be faculty, journal editors, and reviewers, policymakers and practicing educators, and conference paper reviewers. Evaluators look for different characteristics of a good quantitative or qualitative study. Okay, I think enough for today. I'm so sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.